go kidnap my work wife, my work bestie. So I'm gonna go to the flea market. And I can't fucking find my Timbs, bruh. I'm gonna cry. If I'm at my ex-boyfriend's house, I'm gonna die. It was all black Timbs, bruh. Why is he so fucking tight? I don't wanna wear these. I wanna wear my fucking Timbs. Like, where could they be? Like, how many people got black Timbs? But where are they is the question. I want to just tear my whole closet apart. I want to just throw all my shoes into the abyss. So I can find my black Timbs. They would have been perfect for this outfit I'm wearing. I'm crying on the inside. Where the fuck are my Timbs? Nobody wants me to be happy. Because they hate my Timbs. Oh my gosh. Just fucking spin, bruh. It's not fucking hard. I just want my fucking Timberlands. How hard is that? How hard is it to have my shoes? Being on home for a minute, you lose stuff. Like your Timberlands. This is my I'm into men and I'm attracted to women outfit. let me digress. Where the fuck are my Timberlands, bruh? Let me bring a hat because it's raining. Let me get Berlin. Easy Game from 1992. Put that in my pocket. Okay. This damn dog, Brian O'Connor, fucking peed on my bed because he's a parasite. We love him dearly, but he's a fucking parasite. Now I got these different color naked these lip liner sticks, pencils. Girl, words are hard. English was not my first language, so it sure was not. So the fucking, oh my gosh, bruh. Brian? Stand. I ain't gonna. Maybe we'll speed this part up. Add a little music. I'm a girl sometimes. I don't like that. Too much. Damn, Waddy. As a single woman, oh my God. I don't do it. I don't know where I was going with that sentence. As a single woman, I'm gonna do it. What, nigga? Like, nigga, what? I'm new to this makeup shit. So, bear with me. It may look like I know what I'm doing. That's just because I'm a Chignon. I'm a White. I'm a Victor. I'm a Malva. I'm a Francis. So, we gonna get it done, bruh. We ain't no knick-knack. If I smile, you know, you ain't gonna see no cracks. Not too much. Not too much of my girl. Just don't smile. I'm telling you, I'm new to it. Brain fucker. Like a goddamn vampire. I think it's gonna drain you dry like a vampire every time. Okay. All right, Brian O'Connor, hold down the fort, my nigga. Brian said, bitch, what the fuck was that? You know when you just drop something and you're just like, notify the media, take me out now, Lord. That's what that was. That's what that was, Brian. All right, Brian O'Connor. Hold down the fort. I really can't find my Timbs, and I'm going to fucking cry. Okay, I think it's done raining, honestly. I don't know where I parked, but his outfit of the day, we're gonna flip the cam. Got my turtleneck, my rose shirt I took from my sister, black pants, Jordans. Still couldn't find my fucking Timbs. I got my Berlizzi. I don't go anywhere without Berlin, you already know. So, just gotta find Jay Stilinski. I never know where Jay is. There he is. Being a bad bitch. Cute. Claim me now because nigga. I claim myself. I'm in a relationship with myself. Matter of fact, as it's the month of March, I haven't taken myself on a date. So we gotta change that. We gotta change that. Let's head on to the flea market, Pookie. I'm cute. Okay. Let's take a picture. Come on, y'all. Let's take a picture. My baby girl. She her shop is like down the street from my ex's place. So I'll be having like PTSD. I'll be having like anxiety. But I do not want this nigga to know I'm here. The thought of seeing that nigga just sends me in a spiral. This school bus just picked up a bunch of nursing students, and that is hilarious to me. Imagine you're a nurse and you tell people you ride the short yellow bus. But yeah, if you're watching this vlog, sir, it's nothing personal. It's nothing personal. I just gotta heal myself, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Yeah. I was just hiding. I'm like, I don't want him to see if he's in the area. Like my boyfriend, I don't want him in the block. Oh no, we don't care about him. The other one we don't care about. I'm like, I don't need him to know any of my whereabouts. Girl. Listen. Dead tired. Got me out in the rain. Dancing. Like I was Marcus Houston and You Got Served. Or Ray J begging for some more wishes. I'm gonna take this because if I get sick, girl. I'ma sue somebody. And while I was dancing in the rain, I brought Berlizzi with me. But yeah. It didn't protect me, you know, that much. So an afro. An afro. My nose is all clogged up. Stomach hurt because I drank so much. I didn't drink a lot. I did one Irish drink that looked like doo. I drank a little bit of some piss. But then my babes was like, nah, honey, you don't like piss. So we'll get you like some actual liquor. So let's see what the damage is looking like here. So I just had like 2 drinks and then the doo-doo. So let's see the damage here. Okay, so far not too bad. Oh, well, found it. Found the problem area. Let's get the bangs. Yep, well, okay. Okay, it's fixable. Okay, okay, yeah, totally. Okay, yeah, okay. Sure. We will, I like how one side is not that bad and then another side is that bad. It's the same head. Like, hello? It's the same head, man. Okay. All right. Good. Like, it's the same head. Don't dance with the Irish. They crazy. Dance it. Look at this. Dance it. Oh my gosh.